Tired of time tracking chaos? Let's transform that mess into streamlined teamwork by joining a Clockify workspace in just a few simple steps. First, keep an eye on your email inbox for an invitation from your team's workspace administrator. It'll have a clear subject line indicating you've been invited to join their Clockify workspace. Open the email and look for the Join Workspace button, which will take you directly to Clockify's website or application. If you already have a Clockify account, log in using your existing credentials. If not, you'll need to create a new account to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll automatically be directed to the workspace you were invited to. You can confirm you've joined correctly by looking at the workspace name displayed prominently in the top left corner of your Clockify dashboard. Now, familiarize yourself with the workspace settings by clicking on the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Here, you can explore settings like user roles, project assignments, and billing information relevant to your team. And that's it. You're now ready to efficiently track your time, collaborate with your team, and contribute to successful project management within your new Clockify workspace. Happy tracking!